What's going on, YouTubers? Guddang775 back with another video. Today I got an unboxing and first impressions of what I think could possibly be one of the best $50 to $60 headsets out there right now. Now, I did a lot of research on this headset, and there are a lot of headsets in this $50 to $60 price range. Okay, but I wanted to pick this headset up because I wanted to compare it to my all-time favorite $50 to $60 headset. Kind of leaning towards 70 now, depending where you find them. My Bluetooth F2s. Okay, I've been having a ball with these. I still listen to them every now and then. Okay, but this headset could possibly challenge that status quo in my mind. Okay, so I got an unboxing here. I got my thing from Amazon, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. Get this out of the box for you folks. Alright, I did a lot of research. My buddy in Santone picked this up like a few weeks ago. Okay, he actually had it before. He had it. I've listened to it before, and it sounded good, really good. And he broke it like a month ago, but he went ahead and reordered it. So I was like, why'd you reorder that thing? Didn't you already have that? It's like, yeah, I broke it. So when he told me he reordered it, that sounds something special. Okay, he said he keeps it as a backup headset, and I do. I have many backup headsets, obviously. So what I'll be unboxing today is let me get it out of the box. If I can get out of the box, I will be unboxing the TaoTronics active noise cancelling wireless stereo headphones. Now the model, okay, the model number is the key. This is model number TT-BH22. Okay, it'll be right here on the screen. Now this is an older model. This, I think, came out in 2017. All right, but I've talked to a lot of other YouTubers suggesting me I should save my money, because I was actually looking at the newest model. Now I think the TT-BH060. Okay, that's the model I was actually looking at to buy, but a lot of YouTubers recommended me I go with this, plus my buddy went ahead and reordered this headset even though he had it in the past. So, I mean, these must be great, right? If people are telling me to pick it up. So, I want to hear for myself. So, let's go ahead and get it out of the box. Okay, the box is fairly simple. Plus points right here. It comes in a case, okay? I always love headsets that come in a case. There's pretty much nothing else in the box, okay? Fairly simple. Comes in the box with a case. Now let's go ahead and open this up. Okay. Oh, it opens that way. Here we go. There's a headset. Let me take a look at what's in the box. Of course, the charger is gonna have a micro USB cable, and there's a 3.5mm auxiliary cable here to connect it. Okay, TaoTronics says thank you for buying this. Now, I don't really know the specs. I should not have tossed the box because let me go ahead and read off the specs off real quick. And there are no specs on the box. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do a jump cut right here and get the specs because I should have been more ready. This is a Bluetooth 4.2 headset, and also boasting 30-hour battery life. Now, take that with a grain of salt, okay? Because like, if you listen to things full blast like I do, that 30 hours, I cut that down into 15 to 20. That's usually the case, all right? And they come with 40mm large aperture drivers that are tuned for high performance audio, okay? So there's an integrated CVC 6.0 noise cancelling technology, filters ambient noise to enhance quality of your music and phone calls. So hassle-free clear calls. Okay, so this is your personal oasis of quiet. That's what TaoTronics is describing this headset, and I'm gonna take them at their word. So let's go ahead and get this thing paired up. But first, before I pair it up, let's take a look at the build quality. Okay, fairly simple design. Okay, I like the egg-shaped ear cups. Now they're not that big, but they're gonna be just right for me. My ears will fit just nicely in there. Now if you got a really big head and with big ears, your ears might stick out a little bit. My head's like a medium size. but it looks good. Okay, the build quality. Now, the band it feels plasticky right here, especially these hinges right here. You gotta be careful, like, but there is a metal inside the band right there. That's metal, but these hinges right here, be careful. Be careful with your headset. You drop these will probably snap. Okay, so they are delicate. Remember, keep in mind, I bought this for $50. I actually got it a little bit less because there was like a little promo code. I got it for like $45, but still, it's in that $50 to $60 range. Okay, back when these came out, these were closer to like $60, $70, so they were a little bit more pricey. Okay, nice soft padding at the top. Let's go ahead and test them out, and of course they have the right and left in there. So let's go ahead, and I'm gonna see how they feel. Wow, they feel light. Okay, they feel really light. You feel like they're not even there. They don't squeeze your head. Okay, they don't squash your head. Now, I would be careful. These look like they will fall forward if you bob your head up and down, so just be careful. Now, let's go ahead and get it paired. Do a little jump cut right here. Alright, folks, I went ahead and got it paired to my LG V40. Now, I'm going to go ahead and give these things a listen. Now, before I go ahead and give this listen, when I was taking a look at the build quality, I forgot to show you folks the buttons. Where the buttons are, well, the main set of buttons are on the right ear cup. Okay, you got your power on button, your pairing button is one, and you got your standard volume up, volume down, long press to skip forward, long press to skip back. Okay, it's very standard 3-button setup. Now on the left ear cup, there's a switch here. There's a little switch here that's gonna toggle active noise cancellation. I'm gonna listen to the song, to the music with noise cancellation off first. Then we're gonna turn on noise cancellation on after. So let's go ahead and get some, see how this sounds. Alright, it's been a while since I listened to these. Okay, so I remember they were good. Okay, I was just waiting for this to pick this up. So let's see, let's go to my usual songs. Okay, I mean, come on, my usual songs, they never got me in trouble yet. Right ear cup, right ear cup. The button placement's a little tricky. Well, volume is good. Okay, could be a little bit louder. It's nice and clean, nice and balanced. The bass is clean. Okay, I like it. I really like it. Now, the bass is clean. The mids, the highs, they're there. They're not recessed. No, the mids are not recessed. Usually they are in these types of headphones, but I can actually hear them. Now, let's listen to a song with some vocals. Let's go with Robin Houston. Let's see. Vocals are definitely not recessed. I can hear them.
Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see
Okay, yeah. So far this is a very balanced headset. Now let's go ahead and turn on the active noise cancellation. See? Active noise cancellation is on. It signals it's on because there's a little blue light there. Now let's listen to the same 2 songs and see how they sound. Okay. So that full blast, by the way. Okay, I can hear it. It does dampen the sound quite a bit. It actually sounds almost the same or slightly even better. Testing the length of my the volume of my voice. Of course, I can still hear my voice if I yell. But this active noise cancellation is gonna block out mostly low end sounds, monotonous low end sounds, and for the most part does a very good job of dampening sound. Let's see. I can hear that a bit. I'm gonna scratch the box. Oh, I can't hear the box. I can't hear that. Very nice. I mean, the sound quality doesn't even take a hit when you turn on active noise cancellation. Let's go back to the Robin song. Let's see. Wow. Wow. Active noise cancellation does not dampen the sound of the headphones by one bit. It actually kind of sounds better. I don't know, I could be wrong, but I'll listen to it more. This is just an unboxing and first impressions. But first impressions so far, it's $50 well spent. Okay? Now the active noise cancellation is not gonna block out all sound. Okay, I could hear my voice when I was talking. I did my little voice test, and I could also hear like what did I do? Me clapping, because it's a high end sound. But me, when I was scratching the box, this is a low end monotonous type of monotone sound. It totally blocked that out. Okay, when the music was going, of course. But yeah, this TaoTronics TT-BH22 headset is the real deal. Okay, now especially now that it's going for $50 or less. Okay, but I still put it in $50-$60 price range. So tune in next week. I am gonna do a full review on this headset because I gotta test it out. Okay, I'm gonna break it in, listen to it 2 to 3 hours a day, low volume for 5 days. Then that last day I'm gonna crank it up and test it out with all my other music. Then it's gonna be compared to my Bluetooth F2s. So let me know what you folks think. You folks have the TaoTronics TT-BH22 headset? Let me know in the comments down below. It's Guddang775. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button. Let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. It's Guddang775. Thanks for watching. Peace out.